Well, we're walking down, going to Shadow Man is here, making his appearance as usual. And yeah, we're gonna walk up to the bus. We're gonna walk down these little alleys here that are very nice with all these rooms. This is like where our hotel is. I should have taken a vid of that, but you can see down there. Yeah, all right. Well, this is kind of out on the main drag here. We're going to be waiting for our bus that's going to come down here. Now we're over on the other side of the street. All these palm trees here, everything. A nice wall down here. Very nice here with all the grass and everything. Okay.
A few minutes and then we'll meet Aziz. Aziz is a local guy here in Rabat, someone that was born and raised here in Rabat and knows Rabat very well. Plus very good English, very good communication skills. It has all it needs or it takes to be a very good, excellent local guide. This, for example, for me, if I work somewhere as a local guide, I did pick Essaouira. That's the place I'm allowed to work as a local guide. Essaouira because it's a small town. I love it, not far from Marrakech on the coast. It has also a Medina. It's not an imperial city. It has never been the political capital of the country.
So, you know, the compound where we are, it's got the palace, which is that building there. That's not where, you know, our king was born and grown up here.
Well, we're walking up to the King's Palace, although the king doesn't live here. He lives somewhere else. This is only for ceremonies because it's got this big open space here. So we're gonna walk up here. There's our group of 9 plus our local guide and our regular guide. So we're a very small group. We got a whole big bus, so we got plenty of room here. Okay, yeah, we're going up kind of to the main entrance up here, and we can take photos and videos here, so which is good. So we got the flag up there. The entranceway is beautiful here. We got some guards they said we could take photos of, but we can't go inside. We can only walk along here. So I'll move out of the way so some other people can get some pictures there. Okay. So I'm right here in front. And there it is, right in back of me there. So yeah, December the 15th. 2023. Okay. Hey, we're walking back from the palace. We got nice little palm trees down here. Very nicely maintained here with all the grass. You got the workers over there getting their groove on in the back of the truck there. So yeah, I'd go up and join them, but I'm too far away. Okay.